This mining crane has been frozen in rust for over 50 years.
The steel cables are completely seized and corroded.
Even the control system is completely dead. We're bringing back the original steel structure.
We repair every crack in the main lifting arm. Every gear must move perfectly again. Now the Giant is reborn in industrial yellow.
Let's bring power back after 50 years.
It's moving again after half a century.
Still powerful enough to lift mountains.
From frozen rust to working giant. Every machine deserves a second chance at life.